Ha! Welcome back to Gen CEO. In this video, I've already seen my thumbnail how to swap your own face with AI face to your own face. This is amazing. You can see my thumbnail. So if it sounds interesting, make sure you watch the end because I'll be showing you the process, how it all happened. How it all happened. It's super amazing. This is so amazing. AI. It's super amazing. So I'll be showing you the process, how it happened. Yes, how the magic happened. And it's so amazing. So amazing. So don't skip any part because I'll be showing you. You can use to create anything in your business, anything at all, and make your business stand out and make anything you do stand out. So it's super amazing. If you've not joined the family, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. Please like this video. All right. So and again, please, after watching, do well to tell my son happy birthday, Daniel, and I'll be so grateful. And I'll come to the comment section and give you a thumbs up for doing that. Thank you. Let's just use the screen record to showcase how I got this beautiful result. Thank you, guys. Hello, do you know you can swap your face using your AI pictures? Then if that's what you want to learn, just stick here and watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you. It's very easy. You can do it in seconds. All right, just quickly go to remarker.ai. Good. Boom. Now when you get here, just click on the first one you see here. Wow. Click on that. Very easy, in seconds you do that, and super amazing. Then you can see that you can use your phone. Right here I'm using my phone. So we have face swap. The first one here, face swap. We have multiple face swap. We have video face swap. We have AI face generator. So we're talking about face swap. So face swap is if you want to swap just a single your face. Multiple face swap is when you want to swap more than one face. Then you click on multiple face swap. Then video face swap is when you're using video. Do you understand? You want to swap the video face. So you use multiple video face swap. So it's super amazing. Let's just go to the first one, face swap for today. So the next video, I'll be going through multiple face swap, video face swap, and all that. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, do fast and click on the subscribe channel, like this video, share it so that YouTube notify you when I post the next part 2 of this AI. One more share. Now you go to face swap. Click on it. Click on the face swap. It's loading. Just wait for it to load. Okay. So you can see the explanation here. Face swap online free, so it's free. Swap your face with someone else's face. Swap your face with that. It's super amazing. Someone can swap your face. So good. Still loading. Still loading. Good. You see that? This is the face swap. Multiple face swap. Look at the multiple face swap and all that. So let's go to the face swap. The first thing to click, you click on this upload image. This upload image, then you need to upload the AI you want to use. Click on it. Let's click on it. Upload the AI you want to use. Okay, I'm using this. You pick one. Done. Okay, then you upload swap image. So you pick the image you want to swap it with. I thought I picked a big. Oh. I saved it. So what is happening? Good. Okay, I've seen it. Good. Good. Select. Good. So the next thing you need to do is to click on your swap. Good to go. Click on swap. Good to go. And wait for the magic. This AI is with me. Yeah, it's good for your business. Don't worry, next video we're talking about talking AI.
how to also write on it, your AI pictures, your videos. So subscribe to the channel if you've not done that. Let's wait for it to load. Boop, 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 boop. Go. Wow. This is lovely. Just looks so much like him. Wow. Wow. This is amazing. Quickly download it. Quickly download so you don't mix it. Next video, I'll teach you how to change the image to video. This is lovely. Wow. Wow, looks so much like it. Alright, please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Wow, AI. This is super, super amazing.